Side effects of chia seeds and how to use them correctly. Despite the many benefits of chia seeds that science has begun to shed light on in recent years, you should be aware that the harms of chia seeds are real and can be serious. Chia seeds are characterized by their high content of fiber, omega acids, and many important nutritional components, but this may be a double-edged sword. The nature of these seeds and their richness in very high levels of fiber may cause some damage and negative side effects resulting from their misuse. Continue watching this video to learn about the damage and side effects of chia seeds. 1. Digestion problems. Digestive problems are among the most common side complications of chia seeds, such as constipation, bloating, gas, indigestion, and digestive disorders in general. 2. Lowering blood pressure. Chia seeds can significantly affect blood pressure, causing it to drop, which can be a bit dangerous for people with naturally low blood pressure. Chia seeds may also interact negatively with medications used to treat high blood pressure, causing their effects to be strengthened and thus lower blood pressure drastically instead of keeping it at normal, healthy levels. 3. Allergic reaction. One of the damages of chia seeds is that these seeds may cause an allergic reaction in some when used, although this is not a common occurrence, so caution should be exercised, especially when eating it for the first time. 4. Increased blood fluidity. Chia seeds have a clear effect on the blood that is not only limited to blood pressure levels but also extends to blood fluidity. As chia seeds help to increase blood fluid levels in the body if they are used with blood thinners, they greatly increase the effect of these drugs, which may make some people more prone to bleeding. 5. Prostate cancer causative agent. In recent years, conflicting studies have emerged about the relationship of chia seeds to prostate cancer. One study showed that the fatty acids in chia seeds may increase the chances of developing prostate cancer, while another study showed just the opposite. So it's too early to say whether chia seeds are harmful in this regard, but it's generally best to be careful and avoid eating large amounts of chia seeds. 6. Possible harm to diabetic patients. Chia seeds may overstimulate the pharmacological effect of some medications that diabetics take to regulate blood sugar, so it is best to consult a doctor first if the patient decides to take chia seeds with this type of medication. 7. Choking. Because chia seeds are capable of absorbing very large amounts of water, many times their weight, eating them in a large dose dry can cause choking. As these seeds quickly begin to swell and absorb water in the gut, causing difficulty swallowing or even choking. 8. High triglycerides in the blood. Some people have very high levels of triglycerides, and eating some types of chia can also make them high. Therefore, it is recommended to stick to using a specific type of chia seed that does not significantly increase triglyceride levels. Chia seed side effects for pregnant women. Although chia seeds in general are beneficial and nutritious for the pregnant woman and the fetus, especially when used in calculated and correctly dosed doses. But this does not mean that the pregnant woman does not take some precautions when eating it. Here are some tips and rules that make its consumption by pregnant women safer. Eat chia seeds in relatively small, measured doses without overdoing them. Pay attention to any digestive disturbances that chia seeds may cause, and reduce or avoid them altogether if they appear. Make sure that you are not allergic to chia seeds before starting to eat them as a pregnant woman. The right way to eat chia seeds. There are general rules to avoid the damage of chia seeds and reduce their complications and negative side effects as much as possible, and they are as follows. Soak chia seeds in water before eating for at least 30 to 120 minutes. Make sure to consume large and sufficient amounts of water during the day when following a diet containing chia seeds. Grind chia seeds before using them in your meals, as this makes it easier for them to be digested by the stomach and intestines. Gradually add chia seeds to your diet so that your body, especially your digestive system, begins to get used to it. Most of the problems and damages of chia seeds stem from the fact that these small seeds can absorb approximately 10 to 27 times their weight in water. So eating them in large doses without following the tips mentioned may cause many digestive problems.